Hello everyone, welcome to Hangout. Today's lesson is about slang. So, I am gonna teach you 25 most common English slangs. I hope you like this lesson. Let's begin. Okay, guys, the first slang I wanna teach you today is balling. And it means to be wealthy, to have a lot of money. Okay, next one is though. And it just means cash, money. So let's see the third one. To trash, which means to destroy. Okay, let's continue with salty, which means to be angry or mad over something little. Okay, let's see no cap, which means no lie, speaking the truth. I have heard this one many times. It is commonly used by Cardi B. Okay, so let's continue, guys. Rolly. A rolly is just a watch. Okay, so let's continue. To flex, which means to flaunt or to show off. I have heard this one a lot of time, especially in a song by Post Malone, and it goes like this. Man, I just wanna go flex. Have you heard that one, guys? Okay, if you have, please let me know in the comment below. Let's continue. Wasted, which means to be drunk or intoxicated. Okay. Beef, to have a grudge or start one with somebody. Okay. I especially like this one. I first heard this one in a movie. Okay, let's pronounce it. Ballsy. Okay, guys, repeat after me. Ballsy. Okay, and it just means bold or daring. So let's see them in sentences now. Okay, guys, these are the example sentences, and I'm going to pronounce every sentence. Okay, let's continue. Bro, your father is balling. You can buy whatever you want. This means like, your father is balling. Your father is rich. He is well off. He has a lot of money. Okay? Your father is balling. Okay, let's continue with the second one. I spent all my dough on a new ride. Oh my God, I like this one. This means I spent all my money, I spent all my money on a new ride. Okay. The third one is, okay, man, trash this place right now. This means like destroy this place right now. Okay. My sister was salty yesterday, and I still don't know why. It's like she was mad, she was angry. Okay. I do like your cooking, babe. No cap. This means I'm speaking the truth. I'm being honest. No lie. Okay. Hey, bro. I got this rollie last week. It's like, hey, bro. I got this watch last week. Okay. That boy over there has been flexing his Lambo the whole day. Like, flexing is like, that boy over there has been showing off his Lambo the whole day. I was wasted at the party last night. I was drunk or intoxicated. Okay? Hey man, I don't want to beef with anybody. It's like, I don't want to have a grudge with anybody, or I don't want to have any problem at all, okay? Did you see Michael tell off his boss? That was ballsy. It's like that was brave, that was manly, okay? Before we continue, guys, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please share this video with your friends, okay? Let's go on. Banging, banging. To be or look extremely good. Sunk, sunk. To be exhausted. Pipe down, pipe down. Relaxed, be quiet. Gucci, Gucci. Good, well, or nice. Kick-ass, kick-ass. Extremely good. Faff, faff. To waste time. Epic, epic. Something that is very impressive. To have a blast, to have a blast. To have a great time. Rocking, rocking. Wearing or using. Grand, grand. $1,000. Knocks, knocks. Crazy, mad. Cheesy, cheesy. Outdated or overused. Crash, crash. Go to sleep. Late, late. Something that is really exciting. Antsy, antsy. Impatient or restless. Okay guys, let's continue with the last part of this video, okay? Hey guys, enjoying this lesson? Cause it is banging. It's like the lesson is really good, it's extremely good, okay? After working the whole day yesterday, I felt sunk, okay? I felt extremely tired. The teacher is coming, guys, pipe down. It's like be quiet, okay? Hey bro, everything okay? Yeah, everything's Gucci. It's like everything is fine, everything is good, whatever, okay? The Migos' new song, Rat to Skinny, is kick-ass. It's impressive, it's extremely good, okay? You better stop faffing around. It's like, you better stop wasting your time. Bro, how come you didn't go to the party? It was epic. It's like, it was impressive. The party was impressive. It was epic. We had a blast last night. We had a great time. Okay? My sister was rocking her new dress. It's like my sister was wearing her new dress. I paid 20 grand for my car and now it is ruined. I paid $20,000, okay? 20 grand. Are you nuts? Don't do that again. It's like, are you crazy? Don't do that again, okay? That song is cheesy. I don't want to listen to it. It's like, that song is outdated, okay? Do you mind if I crash here tonight? No, go right ahead. It's like, do you mind if I sleep here tonight? That's what it is. Okay? This party is going to get lit. This party is gonna be awesome. It's gonna be banging. Michael, you better open the door. I'm getting antsy. It's like, Michael, you better open the door. I'm getting antsy. or I'm getting impatient. Okay? Hey guys, if you enjoyed this lesson, like, subscribe, and share. See ya.